Hey there, language enthusiasts. Welcome to the English Guy.
Greetings, language enthusiasts. Emma here, ready to embark on a linguistic journey through the vibrant world of a local cafe. Join me as we savor the aroma of freshly brewed coffee, indulge in sweet treats, and uncover some delightful words to add to our vocabulary. On a crisp morning, I entered the cozy cafe, greeted by the rich scent of freshly ground coffee beans and the soft hum of conversation. The barista, a skilled artisan of caffeine concoctions, welcomed me with a warm smile as I perused the menu. Let's delve into the first set of new words. Crisp, brisk and fresh, often with a cool temperature. Cozy, warm and comfortable, creating a feeling of intimacy. Concoctions, creative and skillfully prepared mixtures or combinations. Peruse, to examine or read carefully. Barista, a skilled person who prepares and serves coffee. As I settled into a plush armchair, I noticed the display of delectable pastries at the counter. The array of croissants, muffins, and tarts was truly tempting, each one promising a delightful treat to accompany my coffee. Now, let's unravel the next set of words. Delectable, delicious and pleasing to the senses. Array, an impressive variety or range. Tempting, appealing and hard to resist. Accompany, to go along with or enhance. Plush, luxuriously comfortable and soft. With my order placed, I found a spot near the window, where the warm sunlight streamed in. The cozy ambience and the gentle chatter of fellow cafe-goers created a perfect backdrop for a moment of relaxation. Explore the words woven into this cafe experience. Order, a request for food or drinks in a restaurant or cafe. Ambience, the mood or atmosphere of a place. Backdrop, the setting or background against which something is viewed. Gentle, soft and calm, not harsh or intense. Relaxation, the state of being free from tension and stress. As I enjoyed my coffee, I couldn't help but notice the eclectic artwork adorning the walls. Each piece told a unique story, adding a touch of artistic flair to the cafe's decor. Discover the final set of words in this artistic setting. Eclectic, comprising elements from various sources, styles, or periods. Adorn, to decorate or add beauty to. Flair, a distinctive and stylish elegance. Decor, the furnishing and decoration of a room. And there you have it, an exploration into the delightful world of a local cafe. I hope you've enjoyed this linguistic journey and picked up some new words along the way. Share your favorite cafe experiences or words in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to The English Guy and hit the notification bell for more exciting language lessons and literary adventures. Until our next linguistic exploration, happy learning!